Okay, so we are now on board Celebrity Beyond. We started our trip with a little visit with Captain Kate. We ran into her in the halls, which was kind of fun. Actually, 3 times. So we had a little chat 3 times, which was kind of fun. There's been a lot of conversation about these Infinite Veranda Rooms. If you like them, if you don't like them, people love them. Some people really hate them. There's a lot of people that really hate them. So I think the first thing we're going to do a room tour, check out our specific room, and then at the end of our 12 nights, we're going to tell you what our experiences was like. So first, let's check out that room tour and stay tuned till the end so we can fill you in what it's been like during our 12 nights. Now we are going to show you what room 8164 looks like. It's an E2 category with an infinity veranda. If you're staying in this exact room or you're staying in a similar E2 cabin with the infinity veranda, then this tour is for you. Time to get this tour started so you know what it's like. And I think we should start this off with the bathroom, which is right here, which is actually, for a balcony room, a really nice bathroom. You can kind of see, in terms of floor space, it's nice. We have products, which I always love when they give you a full size product. Your glasses, nice amount of shelving. Look, down here, more shelving. There is a lot of space to put things. The whole cabin really has a lot of space to put things. This angle again, lots of shelves. You know me, I love lots of shelves. So we were saying about the shower. You have the little bar across for the ladies shaving. Put your leg up, shave. It's nice. Okay, let's check out the rest of the cabin. This here is their new system, which is great. It makes it so easy. One press, it's full lighting. One press, it's half lighting. One press, another press, it's lights out. Blinds up and down. Temperature controls. And then again, 2 fingers, puts all the lights out, puts them all on. One light will turn the bathroom light on. Cute little decoration here. Look at that. More storage. You got little storage units, little storage places. Open this one. Full on shelves. Perfect for shorts or smaller items that you've packed. Come on over.
Can I add something?
Yeah.
Watch this. This is nice for cruise ships.
Ooh, it's a soft close. Very nice. So in here, you can see obviously 2 levels of hanging, one for long items, one for short. You have your safe, and then drawers here, 3 of them, very nice. Spinning around, we got some artwork, and look at this. This is such a nice ad that, you know, you have a little place to lay down as opposed to chairs, things like that. More drawers, which you don't normally find this. I've always said, why is there not like a dresser, drawers? Look at how much space we have. I have to say, this is a huge bonus for me. They have a little desk area. The desk area we could use with a little bigger desk area, but I understand, you know, you have to sacrifice one for the other. You're going to have less walking space. So they said, let's make the desk space a little bit smaller. And here's all your plugs. So you have European, and I believe it's the same type as a Germany plug. You've got a 110, but you can plug in a universal port or universal plug thing in it, so you can convert that. And then you have your 2 USB chargers, which you also have, which is really nice. Of course, they have your daily schedule, but they prefer you use the app, but they still get that to you. And then we turn around here, and we have our king-size bed, Again, more shelves. So if you like to keep things next to your bed, individual lighting next to each bed. You have a large TV, which I love that it's directly in front of you in the bed. The other bonus for me is the bed is closest to the window. Sometimes in some cruise ships, you'll have the bed on the other side, and you'll have, like, say, the lounge or the chairs closest to the window. I love being able to wake up and see the outside and feel the breeze. And I think if we will see if you were able to lower the windows at nighttime. I don't know the situation yet, but this is our little infinity balcony veranda area.
We just arrived back after a 11-night cruise, and I'm going to confirm or deny 3 common complaints about the Celebrity Infinite Veranda, plus give you one super cool travel hack. Okay, let's get right to it. First, I'll call this 1A, is the noise involved in opening this. You're opening a window, it's loud, kind of who cares. But the common complaint is the height of this bar. And I think people describe it wrong. For us, it wasn't the height of this bar. But when you lower the window, you're now looking through 4 panes of glass here, and if you look out, like, everything's very dim and hard to see. So if I sit here in this chair, it's not vibrant, cool looking out. It's not really that this is in the way, but it's like I'm looking through a really dark pair of sunglasses. Okay, number 2, the loss of a balcony. So I work a lot when we're on our trips, and I really love the ability to come out in the balcony, close the door, sit here with my laptop, and do some work. The way these rooms are configured, there's almost no privacy that way. You can close these little windows, but they really don't do anything to dampen the sound. Like if I have a cup of coffee and that kind of stuff, I'm going to wake Nikki up there. Let me show you one thing in a really messy room, because we're about to leave real quick. Come on this way. This little desk here, again, is the same thing. I'm right next to the bed. I can't do anything in this room without involving my partner who's asleep. The final complaint that people have is about the temperature in the room, and that is 100% legit. This wall of glass is kind of really cool to look out at sometimes when you're in bed and you're looking out the window. That is definitely cool, but on a bright sunny day, the air conditioning really isn't quite strong enough to keep the room cool when the sun is just like baking in on you. Let's say you're lying in bed watching out the window. It gets quite toasty in here.
And if you put down the window, the air conditioner goes off. That's a big thing, because you can literally close your doors, go out on the balcony, and still be outside. Here, if you want to kind of be outside a little bit, you're cooking because the air conditioner goes off.
So here's my travel hack. So if you're like me and you enjoy watching the whole docking process and sailing away, and so you want to be on the side where the port is, well, Celebrity is obviously really proud, and they should be, of their flying carpet, so that it's almost always facing the port, right? Because they want to advertise that. So if you get a starboard room on the same side as the magic carpet, you are almost always on the side of the port. I don't know if that's science, but it's 11 nights. Only one time were we on the other side of the port. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Click that subscribe, like. We'll see you next time.
Hey, I hope you really liked that video. If you did, right here below me is a button which you could click to subscribe so that you always get our notifications. If you want to just watch another video real quick, right here below, this is a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And then right up here is a selection of videos from this European trip we just went on, so you could kind of continue the adventure there. In any case, keep commenting and watching, and we'll see you next time.